Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Google Authenticator app for Facebook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Authenticator app and log into your account. This is the app that will generate those time-sensitive codes to help secure your Facebook login. Make sure you're signed in so you can add Facebook as a new account to your Authenticator list. Once you've successfully logged in to Google Authenticator, now it's time to connect it with Facebook. Open your Facebook app and log into your Facebook account. From your main feed, tap on the top left part of your mobile screen where you'll see a hamburger icon. That's the icon with 3 horizontal lines. Tap on it to open the additional settings menu. This is where Facebook keeps most of its security and account management features. From the menu that appears, press Settings and Privacy. The menu will expand to show you more options. From here, select Settings to access your full account configuration. You'll be directed to the Settings and Privacy page, which gives you control over how your account operates and how it's protected. Now tap on the See More in Accounts Center link. This brings you to a centralized hub where you can manage security across all your Meta accounts. Once you're there, look for the Password and Security option and open it to proceed. This section is specifically designed for managing how you protect your account from unauthorized access. From the options under Password and Security, choose Two-Factor Authentication. This is the feature that adds an extra layer of security by requiring both your password and a code from Google Authenticator whenever you log in. You'll be prompted to select the account where you wish to apply Google Authenticator. Simply select your account and Facebook will generate a 32-digit Authenticator code for you. This code is what connects your Facebook account to the Google Authenticator app. Keep this screen open because you'll need that code in just a moment. Now head back to your Google Authenticator app and tap on the plus button located on the bottom right part of your mobile screen. This button allows you to add new accounts to your Authenticator. From here, you'll see 2 options for adding an Authenticator to your Facebook account. Select Enter a Setup Key. This option lets you manually input the code that Facebook just generated for you. All you have to do now is add in the 32-digit key from Facebook. Carefully type it into the field provided to avoid any errors. Next, add in a name for this account, something simple like Facebook or your Facebook username so you can easily identify it later. Once everything is configured and entered correctly, press the Add button. Your Facebook account is now linked to Google Authenticator and you'll start seeing time-based codes that you can use to log in securely. And that's it. You've successfully set up Google Authenticator for Facebook, adding a strong layer of security to your account. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.